On this lesson, which is still part of day 1, you're going to write linear equations again, but this time we're giving you the slope and a different point. We're not giving you slope and y-intercept, slope and a different point. So what's one of the first things you need to remember? Y equals mx plus b. Y equals the slope times x plus the y-intercept, all right? Y equals mx plus b. The more you write it, the more it gets in your brain. Now I'm going to use a bunch of different colors and we're going to do some things. So you're going to use this formula, y equals mx plus b, to write the equation of a line when we give you 1 point and the slope. So here you go. We're going to find b. We're going to find the y-intercept when we're given the slope and a point on the line. We don't know where this line crosses the y-axis, but we're going to find it mathematically. So what you do is you plug in the y value, that's your y value, and the x value. You put them in the equation. You put all the pieces in. So let's do the pieces. Okay, y is green. 1 equals the slope, negative 2 over 3 times x. I'm going to put this in parentheses just to help you a little bit. That's a parentheses, just doesn't look like one. Times x. What is my x? My x is 9 plus b. So what we did, I'm going to draw arrows all over the place. We took the 2/3, which was the m, and put it here. We took the x and put it here. And we took the y and put it here. Arrows everywhere. So we took the information we knew and we substituted the variables with the information we knew. Now we're going to do math. All right, I'm going to do it all in black. So 1 equals negative 2 over 3 times 9 over 1. By putting it over 1, it's easier to multiply the fraction. So 1 equals negative 18 over 3 plus b. Because negative 2 times 9 is negative 18. 3 times 1 is 3. Remember, when you multiply fractions, you simply multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom. Alrighty, now negative 18 over 3 can be simplified. Negative 6 plus b. Add 6 to both sides. You have 7 equals b. That's the y-intercept. So your final equation, if you were to write it, would look like y equals negative 2/3 x plus 7. Now I'm putting it there so you can see what we do at the last part. You found b. B was the thing we had to do, but this is what your linear equation looks like. Now you may wonder, why does it look different? Well, the linear equation is set up. So you come up with any x value, you put it in there, do the math on the right side of the equation, and you get your y value. So you can plot points and create a line. Alrighty, let's plug in. Oh, we already did that. Sorry. I did it here. See, plug in the slope. And there, this is what I did here. Y equals negative 2/3 x plus 7. That's what happens when you don't read your notes properly. So there's your final equation. Write the equation of a line. So when you're given the slope up here, and you're given a point, you do the math to find the missing variable, the y-intercept, the b is missing. Once you find it, then you have your equation. That's it. It's a short one.